Good evening to all of you. My name is Oshiden. Today's my Viva topic is types of ADR events. ADR events can occur in various settings, including healthcare, pharmaceuticals, clinical trials, and even everyday life. Everyday lives. May include medications errors, surgical complications, healthcare associated infections or ADR reactions to medications or treatments. Pharmaceutical ADR events, they refers to the adverse reactions or side effects caused by the pharmaceutical drugs. This can range from mild reaction to nausea, dizziness, to severe reaction like allergic reactions or organ damage. Then clinical trials adverse event. During clinical trials, adverse event are closely monitored to assess the safety efficacy of the experimental treatment. This event can include adverse reactions to the investigational drug, complication during the trial procedures of worsening participation conditions. Then occupational adverse event, they occurs in the workplace and then can include accidental injuries, exposure of hazardous materials, or occupational illness such as repetitive strains, injuries, or respiratory conditions. Then environmental ADR events, these are the adverse event resulting from exposure to environmental hazardous pollution, toxics, natural disasters event. They can lead to health problems ranging from respiratory issue to long-term chronic conditions. Product safety adverse event, this involves adverse event related to consumer products such as defective or malfunctioning products containing foods or beverages, or products causing injury or harms to the users. Then social adverse event, this encompasses adverse event related to social factors such as discriminations, violence, abuse, social economics, descriptive. They can have significant impacts on mental health as well as quality of the life. Then ADR event in research and development. During the development of new technology and process, ADR events can occur, including various failures, accidents, and ununited consciousness. Understanding and effectively managing ADR events are critically for maintaining safety, improving quality of life, and minimizing risks in various domains. ADR events can occur in various settings, including healthcare, pharmaceutical, clinical trials, and even everyday life. Here are some points. Product safety. This involves ADR related issue to consumer products and such as defective manufacturing products and contaminated food or beverages or products causing injury or harms to the users. This economics ADR event related to social factors such as violence, abuse, social economic disasters. This can have significant impacts on mental health, well-being, and quality of health. Then development of new technology or process. ADR's event can occur including failures, accidents, or unintended consciousness. Understanding and effectively managing ADR are critical for maintaining safety, improving quality of life, and minimizing risks in various domains. Then medical adverse events, medications errors. This can include prescribing the wrong medications, administering the wrong dosage, or mislabeling medications. Surgical complications, adverse event during surgery, such as bleeding, infections, organ damage, or anesthesia-related compliance. Healthcare associated infections acquired during hospitalizations or healthcare procedures, often due to inadequate hygiene practice or antibiotic resistance bacteria. Pharmaceutical ADR events, ADR drug reactions, unintended and harmful reactions to medications, ranging from mild to severe. Drug interactions, when one medications affect the activity of another medications, leading to unexpected side effects or reduced effectiveness. Then medications, allergies, immune system's reactions to medications, often causing symptoms such as rashes, itching, swellness, or analgesics. Thank you.